Hey babes, let's get into this gorgeous glueless, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and ready-to-wear unit from Hairvivi Hair. Let's get into it. So you guys know that they are by far my favorite hair company, and they come with the most high quality glueless, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, ready-to-go wigs. So this is the unit I was sent. I decided to choose. It is a gorgeous ombre side part unit. As I stated before, their wigs come ready to go, and this is what it looks like straight out of the box. You guys can see the lace is beautiful. The hair is so thick and gorgeous, you guys. Like, nothing compares to a good Hairvivi wig. And I have worked with them probably about 6 or 7 times so far, and I have never received anything below quality. Now, as you guys can see, this is the inside cap construction of the unit. So it is super ready for you guys to wear. It does have a elastic band with a slip proof on there so that your wig is not slipping and sliding, and the elastic band also is adjustable, which I love. Not to mention, it still does have those drawstrings at the bottom so you can tighten the wig all the way to your liking and your security, and just so that it fits your hair comfortably and you know that your glueless wig is not flying away nowhere. As you guys can see, it does have combs on each ear as well as on the bottom of the wig. Now, this is the hair when I put it on, and I went ahead and cut the lace off. When I say this hair is literally ready to go, y'all, I put it on my head, tried it on, and I adjusted the strap to my liking, went ahead and cut that lace off, and grow. Like, it was really ready to go. Like, y'all about to see in 3, 2, 1. Let me pop this baby on. I'm gonna flip it back. Well, I'm gonna adjust it a little bit, and then I'm gonna flip it back, and y'all gonna be like, what? Like, literally, you guys, the hair came pre-curled. Like, they have so many different styles that you can choose from. I didn't fix the curls. I didn't do anything to the curls on this unit, you guys. This is the hair straight out of the box. So when I went ahead and flipped it over, I just was kind of playing with it, seeing how I wanted the curls to lay. I will say that on the left side, my ear tab was not laying completely flat. So I did go ahead and make a sideburn on that side, which I'm going to show you guys. But as you guys can see, all in all, the hair looks flawless. So on that side, I did go ahead and make a sideburn, which I was going to do anyways because I have a really long sideburns that go down the side of my face. But yeah, for some reason that part just didn't want to lay down flat. Maybe because I just had the wig really tight, because I wanted to wear it completely glueless, so I didn't want it to go nowhere. So I just took a little bit of my Got2b spray and sprayed it just right there on that little sideburn piece. And for this unit, we are doing no baby hairs, none of that, girl. We want to keep this hair looking very flawless, classy, giving, you know, luxury vibes as it is. So pretty much laying this sideburn was the only thing that I had to do. I just sprayed my little Got2b spray on there, made sure it was completely blow dried, and as you guys can see, the lace is giving wet lace. Like, literally, this is my hair. Can't nobody tell me no different. So once I make sure my sideburn is looking pretty flat, we're going to go ahead and cut it short to my liking, and then just use a little bit of that Got2b spray and slick it down. Now, when I say this entire process took me probably about 8 minutes to like unbox the hair from start to finish, y'all. Like, literally unbox the hair, put it on, and slick my little sideburn. Like, that was literally it. In the next clip, you guys are just gonna see me kind of playing with the curls that already came on the unit, you guys. And like, literally less than 10 minutes, you can get a gorgeous install with high quality hair from Hairvivi Hair. You guys know this is my favorite hair company. I promote them over any other. I would recommend them over any other company. I love their wigs. They are flawless. Literally, look at that. And in just a couple seconds, I'm going to show you guys me putting the comb up under the lace, and it is literally flawless, glueless, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, ready to go. And yeah, like, who can do it better?